The other day I tried Kenji Lopez Alt's scrambled egg recipe and it was really, really good. The eggs were soft and they were very, very smooth. So that got me thinking, could I adapt that for a Cantonese style scrambled eggs and shrimp recipe? You can get the perfect Cantonese style scrambled eggs and shrimp at home in under 10 minutes with the tips I'm about to give you. All right, time's ticking. The first step is to prepare your shrimp. Of course, buying live shrimp is always going to give you the best results, but we don't run a 5-star restaurant here, so we have the frozen kind. We have some frozen tiger shrimp. Yeah, we're still a little fancy. So the first step is to devein them and deshell them. The easiest way is to take a pair of kitchen shears, cut along the back, pull out the guts and remove the shell. Please, please remove and devein your shrimp. Or if you're lazy like us, buy them already deveined. So here I only need to deshell them. The next step is to marinate them. It's quite simple. The first thing we're going to add is salt. I know that shrimp is already salty, but this gives it a little bit more bite. Add in sugar, some white pepper, sesame oil, and cooking wine. Get all that mixed together. I like marinating with my hands and making sure everything gets into there. And you'll see the shrimp will absorb all the liquid. And once it's all absorbed, then you can set that aside. The star of this dish is the humble everyday egg. I'm going to crack 5 of them into a bowl. One-handed, other-handed, 2 at a time. We're going to add some salt, scallion. Scrambled eggs actually require some technique because they can overcook really easily. And when they get overcooked, they're kind of dry and rubbery. So to avoid that, we're going to use a cornstarch slurry, and that helps to retain some of that water and allows you to cook for a longer period without overcooking. We just have a little bit of cornstarch. We're going to add some water to this and add it in. So whisk all that together. And that's it for preparing this dish. Cook the shrimp on high heat, stir occasionally, and then take them off as soon as they change color and are cooked through. Remove the shrimps using a strainer and add them to the eggs. Wipe out the wok and heat it up on high. Taking a page out of Kenji's book here, we've added a little bit of water, and as soon as it's evaporated, the wok is up to temperature. Add oil to the wok, give your eggs a little stir, then carefully pour it into the wok. The trick here is to turn off the heat immediately. Allow the bottom of the eggs to set and move it around and fold it on top. This gives you the best texture. It prevents it from overcooking and creates those beautiful layers. Don't flip it over or overdo it, or else it becomes scrambled eggs. Turn the heat back on high once the eggs stop bubbling and then turn it off again. Repeat this process until your desired doneness. I only had to do this twice. The egg should come out soft and silky and the shrimp and egg should stay together. Now that you made it this far, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. Check out this playlist for more easy recipes.